want to introduce our Rongwin's two beautiful press brakes. Please check these two machines in factor. This is not our standard size press brake. Our Rongwin can give you can make the special size press brake according to your requirement. Such as this is our 63-ton 1.6 meter press brake. This is our very small, beautiful design press brake. We designed this machine for our United Kingdom customs because his workshop is very small, but he wants a very beautiful and a small machine according in his workshop. So our engineer make a special design for this machine. These two kinds of is our CNC machine. This is two different design. Also, this small machine also is our new structure design. This is not a torsion bar machine. It's for hydraulic valve matched with the light guide to keep the slider up and down. And this is our hydraulic soft, totally automatic CNC press brake. This is 4+1 axis. Yes. For press brake, a lot of customers maybe don't know how to choose press brake. In fact, you just tell us which kind of metal material you want to bend, the maximum thickness, and your bending result accuracy, and also the machine function, such as do you need the angle program, such as angle programs, or x-axis programs, or such as this machine. We have r-axis for the back gauge up and down. So we can match the ideal CNC press brake for you, such as these two press brake. You know, in fact, today we want to introduce these two kinds of CNC controller. This is our Cybtouch, Switzerland Cybtouch CNC controller. Please check. In fact, this is our CT8P controller. This is our CT8 controller. The usually HP controller is matched with our torsion bar, a two-axis control CNC press brake. For this CT8 controller, usually we match with our CNC controller. The maximum axis is 4+1 axis. This is maximum is 2 axis. One is for the angle bending. The other is for the back gauge program. This is 2 axis. Also, we also can add one crowning table combination function, but in this machine is very small. We think no need this crowning table. It's just 1 meter, right? Now let's show how to bend the one part in this machine, such as we drawing. Such as if we bend this part in this controller, as if we want to bend to this part in this controller, first step, we bend this 90 degree. This is angle, bending angle. For the x-axis, is 30. R-axis is the same. So second step is 120 degree. The x-axis 106 degree. X-axis is 60. So this is the third. This is the three. Three step is 90 degree, and the bending x-axis stop. The stop finger axis is 60. So we can start bending now. Let's check this bending path in controller. Yeah, let's start. The first step we bending 90 degree. Now we bend the second step to 120 degree. Yes, this is the third. This is the second step. The third step is 90 degree. The x-axis is 30 millimeters. Now we finish bending this part, right? We finish bending this part. It's perfect.